What's up, y'all? I wanted to give y'all a little update on what I did with the lights on the back. Let's see if I can get this video to, I ain't cut the truck on. I just want to show you guys what's going on. See, I got the lights on the back. Little light pole lit up. I'm gonna have to put some more lights on that because how I got them running, I want the whole entire stick to be covered with lights. So that's what's going on with that. And then I'm gonna do the top with lights all the way around from the front to back in red, and down the side on the running boards as well. They're gonna be done with the lights on the side and the top, like I said before, coming all the way from the front to all the way to the back. Yeah. So yeah, I just want to give you guys an update of this. Thought it was really cool. Thought it was really cool to have the lights on the back. And then the bumpers are going to get lit up. And then I got the HIDs to the front, which I couldn't put in today. Raining again. Once again, it's raining. Raining all over the place, man. Been raining like this for a couple of days. Well, anyway, peace out, and I'll catch you guys on the next update.